Now look at that. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. Right, because the four is just a four. It's just a number four. Yeah. No, 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 not the X, not the X. Say exactly what is there. Why we just taking the shortcut? You see the X in a bracket. Don't forget the bracket. The X plus 2 in a bracket. Yeah. Right. Nobody, when we multiply the 4, we didn't multiply the 4 to the 2y minus 3z one time. We do it step by step. We distribute it. We can't just take the X plus 2 and multiply. Let's look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I go to delete that. Okay, watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. Watch exactly what I'm going to do. Yes. As you see that there, watch what I'm going to do. What if it's not X plus 2 you have? What if it's a 7 you have? Let's say just a little 7 you have there. Mm-hmm. What do you expect me to write there? 7. Right, 7 times X, exactly. you stop on the X, 7 times the X. You don't say X plus 5 though. 7 times the X. So it's the same thing. Let's go back to this now. Why X? Let's go back to this there, the X plus 2 in a bracket. Yeah. The same way you do 7 times X. Likewise, what can we do there? The whole X plus 2 in a bracket. You see that that is what I don't know why the X plus 2 in a bracket. You know, I don't know why. What happened to the X plus 2 in the bracket? Psychologically, it confusing us. I don't know. With a little number, we can do 7 times X. But if you put the X plus 2 there, then we have difficulty. I don't know why. Why? Now I'm asking myself, I'm thinking out loud. I just trying to wonder why. But well, you have to treat that. You have to treat that as one thing. Just treat that as one thing. Well, that is why that is why you have to get a cost. That is why you have to get a custom. When you have something in a bracket, you have to treat it as a whole thing by itself. It's like a basket of fruits. You see the 7 is like one mango. But you see the X plus 2 in a bracket is like a bag of mangoes. A bag of mangoes is one thing, isn't that so? Yes or no? You can just hold a bag of mangoes. Agreed? Yes or no? Right. So now the X plus 2 in a bracket is like a bag of mangoes. This is one mango. The 7 is just one mango. And then you have a bag of mangoes. You see how we show it bigger? A bracket, they call that the mathematical basket. A bracket is like a mathematical basket. Things are in it. There's an X plus 2 inside of the bracket. So you can just grab everything and treat it as one. Just like how you'd grab a bag of mangoes or basket of mangoes, you treat it as one. The same way you treat the 7, the same way you treat the whole X plus 2 in the bracket. You see, I can take the 7, I can take the 7, right? Copy the 7, and I can put the 7 there. If I want, I can put it there. No, I can put it there. All right, I can put it there if I want. All right. the same thing, likewise, you can take the x plus 7, all right? The x plus 2, sorry, is like a bag of mangoes, a bag of oranges, okay? It's like one thing, like a bag of groceries, you know? It's like one can be treated as one. When something in a basket, in a bracket, it can be treated as one. So you have to get accustomed to that. Without the brackets, they are separate. You know, it's loose. If you take all the fruits from the basket, then you have all the fruits all over the place. But when you put them in the bracket, you can treat it as one, right? So you have to get accustomed to psychologically doing that algebraically. So the same way we have 7 times x, you can have x plus 2 times what? Exactly, times the x. All right. Let's go back there. And what do you expect me to write? 7 times x and what? Exactly, 7 times 5 times 7 times 5. 7 times the 5. So the same way we can have 7 times x and 7 times 5, we can have x plus 2 in a bracket times x and what? X plus 2 in a bracket, open close bracket, times what? Times the 5. I'll give you all a little time to write this down. Please write this down, copy this down, because by writing it, it's very important.